Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an AI-powered website called Code Converter to convert your code into another programming language. First, open your web browser and go to the Code Converter website, which you can find in the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, you'll see a simple interface with two boxes. The box on the left is where you'll paste your original code, and the box on the right is where the converted code will appear. Now, let's say you have a Python code that you want to convert into Java. Simply copy your Python code and paste it into the left box on the Code Converter website. Then, select Java as the target language from the drop-down menu on the right side of the page. Once you've selected Java as the target language, click the Convert button below the right box. Code Converter will then use its AI-powered algorithms to analyze your code and convert it into Java. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see the Java code appear in the right box on the Code Converter website. You can then copy and paste the Java code into your Java IDE and continue working on your project. And that's it. With Code Converter, you can easily and quickly convert your code into another programming language using the power of AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the Code Converter website in the link in the description below.